How come Kartel in jail? If you're all so powerful, shouldn't you have gotten him out a long time ago? Or you over-exaggerate? Really do the arithmetic. Gaza would definitely mean far more than violence because it comes with creativity. Enough creativity. Because when Lava sit in jail writing his songs, he's locked away from the world and just focus on entertaining us. So y'all got this shit all wrong. You get what I'm saying? What they represent. For real, you know. But let me show you how much I fear no man. If Gaza is powerful to destroy me, what your name is again? What his name is? Lava? If they are powerful enough to destroy me because of you, how come Kartel in jail? If you're all so powerful, shouldn't you have gotten him out a long time ago? Or you over-exaggerate? When I try to show you, say man is man and God is God. If your boss is powerful, him supposed to the security guard supposed to be so scared that him let him out. The government supposed to be so scared. So when our blood clot come with him. In another system, I'm fearless. On July the 22nd, me born. His Majesty born a couple hours after me. In 1969, he set the captive free, the year when me born. Me no fear nobody. At 3 months old, my mother left me. 6 weeks old with my grandmother and never look back. When me call upon my mommy said me is not her child. At first, I was angry. But then I realized she's right. She's just the womb that God assigned to bring me forth. She couldn't identify herself in me because I belong to the Almighty. Now tell me, a woman in shelter, write a hit song, turn around in my bed next day, me get up on there, Africa. You understand? And me know certain part of the world right now, Turkey, Africa, that you don't know, you have yet to know. So why you underestimate the power of the true and living God? You understand that 12 times me push forth and bring forth my children them. Me have 13 children, still look like a 26. You don't get it. You cannot touch me. The thing about it, just now I put a statement on my page and I said thanks to lava and rich feeling. The truth is thanks to who? Thanks to no bomber clot. The truth. The truth is thanks to the people. That's why I added purposely or unpurposely. No one for your thanks, so you don't get it. You know how hard Amari work and still my hard work don't do it. But even designated for this day. Because I can't be blessed unless you curse me. So the thing where you go on with a local ritual last night, that's because I'm about to be on another dimension. I'm not ready, but God say I'm ready. Because time is running out. I seriously never ever, even certain artists, me still wake up shocked when me see certain things. Because I seriously never ever hate anybody. It's not that I don't know how to hate, but God make me with a heart when me can't hate. Is a barrier that stops me from going bare. I do not hate. I'm an entertainer. You get what I'm saying? Well, we don't know say people like Lava, him is a DJ, him don't know nothing about blogging. Him just a try a thing. You get me? True nothing now go on in our music and all of that. So you have to kind of see with him. Because if you really know about blogging, Lava, let me come and step into my office. Hear the thing. You cannot have the people them fighting for you, because it's the same people that gonna turn against you. Because you make it an entertaining thing for them to go up against Amari. That not gonna work. Them are gonna get bored. Them are gonna need somebody to jump on. Because you're basically forming an army, and at the end of the day, they gonna jump on you. Can't you defend yourself as a man? Or do you have to sit there and act like this poor little guinea pig? And Amari saying things about me, and and then you have a list. You have a list, you know, with a certain amount of come below, and then you there telling them to join you on the show. You know what I'm saying? I thought you were a man, dude. You definitely not a man. Because even in the midst of my entertainment cursing, I'm still speaking the truth about a lot of things. You know, including you so-called playing my song. You do the same thing that Richard did, trying to kill me. But it's not going to work. You put my song on and you turn it way down. And you stare there and make some cynical faces. That's to kill my song spiritually. So people don't even bother go listening to it. It's basically you're telling them, this is the time if you listen to it, after this enough, you even bother go listen to it. And but what hurts me is that you know that within a couple of days we're gonna put out spy songs, and so you decide to kill an innocent person, a woman of 13 who's just here to show the world that no matter what age you are, don't give up on your dreams. Don't let your kids stop you from dreaming. Don't let all the abuse and everything you go through stop you from breathing. You understand? Ain't nothing mental about you. You may be lacking a certain nutrients as a mom. You understand? Cause you to have temper sometimes and flare up. But ain't nothing wrong with you, baby love. That's what I'm basically here to say to my girls, my goodies. You understand? So I don't see why you couldn't just say Amari. From the other day, you could have said Amari. I now run with you, you know. Although you don't have to run with me, because guess what? Me do everything any I no carry. You could have said, Amari, I have a project I come out. So after this project, I focus on you. But if you focus on you at the same time with this project, is a conflict of interest. Because me and Gracie I come from far, and now that she's down, would I like to give her a boost to pick her up. Because, number one, I would not have been on their level and have you produce me. Nobody can produce me. Me turned them down just a couple days ago. I have my own record label. I am not stupid. I don't need no producer. Because you know, within your heart, you're not going to make back that money. You're not going to make back that money, whatever you give her up front. And to really promote the music during COVID time, you have to go splurge money. Because your followers, they don't buy music. Buy what? Why should they? They need that money right now during the time of COVID. Why should they? The selectors and everyone just go on YouTube, drop the music during the dance and play it. So there's no way you'll make back that money, but guess what? You're looking clout. That's what you're looking. Clout to say, oh, I produce spice. But what I'm going to basically tell you, if you're going to produce something come good, it look like an old song where you did have put on and you decide to just draft it, because none of these music are current. One thing I learned in college, whatever you're coming out with, let it be current. It must be talking about your life now, singing about your life now, what is happening now. You understand? No old song. Put on dust off and say, yeah, give it to the world. Because me and you know, say, she can't put no song out there because she have a contract with VP Record. You get me? Unless the song was out there before that contract. So you draw for your old song. You understand? Go take that man and go put it back which part you take it from under your bed, under the cellar or wherever. Because the people want the latest happenings. Whether Amari Africa, or Amari man left her, Amari Pitney them get locked up. You know come real with the people them no man. Or you know go on, so why no feel say Jamaicans, British people, everybody, why you feel say them stupid? They are very intellectual. You know, can't take all things and fling it, give them and dress it up and make them think say it new. You feel me? But like I say, you should have just say, Amari, me can't deal with it. You never did have to have a party if you drag me, if you kill me because you feel so boy. She come out with Nico last year and kill the whole shit. So she a go come out with SOB now and it a go stop your song from reaching nowhere. Cause the truth is you don't care a fuck about Gracie. When she a go through all her shit them, have you ever stepped up to support her as a woman? You don't care a fuck. Nobody cares a fuck. Whether she want rise or whether she want to fall. You understand? So you is just somebody, as I said, with an old song and you try to do a thing right now. Because you don't spend your money on it, so you might as well make back something if it's even $1. But that doesn't mean you have to kill an artist. As of today, I am in no competition. You will not hear me get up and call up Spice, Chinsia, no one. Because Allah talked to me last night and said, Amari, you're bigger than that. You're outside of the competition now. You're not in no competition. Just live your life. Put up your reality shows. Go where you're going. Do what you're doing. You understand? I come from Africa in a peace and calmful, you know. And you, when you call me over there for this pretty done, after me finish me feel dirty. Cause why me feel dirty? Cause pretty done, the truth is I love pretty done. When pretty done they are jail and me pray for her up online and tell people say stop putting her down. Plus she's an entertainer. Very entertaining. Me can't tell her how to entertain people. The people are gravitated towards her. You understand? If I had a way, I would say, get rid of some of them words in your mouth, yo. But guess what? Who am I to say that? Who am I to say that I've done certain things that all the great ninja man come off of me and say, Amari, if you don't stop, you know, you will not be able to even come back to Jamaica. So who am I to say that? You know, go on doing nothing, man. But when me have to tell you, say, there's a time for everything. Every single thing. You hear the ambulance them outside. There's a time for all of the fuckery. And there's a time for we come together and help the people them when have no food. Don't just sit down there and people, y'all need to stop, yo. Y'all need to stop giving all these money for fuckery, yo. Go find a foundation, organization and help people, yo. Because too many children right now don't have no food. Their parents don't have no job. This is a worldwide pandemic. You understand? You may get up this morning and our food is enough. People don't have no food. People who used to be doctors, nurses and everything. So many people are about to be homeless. What time do you have to dedicate a whole show to putting down an innocent woman? What time do you have for that? A whole show to say Amari is this, Amari is that, Amari is that. That's like shooting bullets that going nowhere, yo. Because you cannot stop me, I'm anointed and I'm real. When I'm ready, me just switch, king. But people know that that's entertainment. And like I was telling somebody the other night, I've worked as a radio DJ for many, many years, over 20 years. And I would play certain slap music that I don't like. Because that's what the people them wanted. But in the midst of me rotating these songs, guess what me do? Remind them that if you should die tonight, where will your soul go? I found even a moment to put in what I really want to say and to demonstrate who I really am. So, to all the people that consider that I'm crazy. Yeah, I'm crazy. Aren't you crazy in love? You crazy about someone? Yeah, I'm crazy. That's okay. I'm crazy when it comes to entertainment. I will even make myself look like a fool to entertain you. You get what I'm saying? But to think that I'm mad, that's where I have the last laugh. Because as the weeks go by, you're going to see things about me that you never saw before, that you never knew before. And you're going to be, oh, fuck, this girl bigger than I thought. Because like I say, I never discuss myself. I let you go find out, go Google me. I'm not going to discuss myself with